Good morning, guys. It's very early. It is 4:30 in the morning. I am up early because we are leaving for a trip to New Hampshire, Boston, Maine area. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. And this is my outfit for the day. It is my, cute lemon socks, and green tank top, some ripped skinny jeans, and my very, very beat up high top Converse. And since it's early in the morning, I'm going to wear a hat to cover up the fact that I don't have a lot of makeup on. This is day one of the final summer trip.
I'm excited.
Okay, Diana, you coughing isn't really the most attractive thing for a video.
I'm sorry. Look, it's so pretty. There's like rocks in the river.
We're in a museum right now. What? You dropped a dime.
Not yet.
Okay, yes. Because I don't have studio lights at all.
No, they're expensive.
Yeah. Don't have that nice of a camera either. Hi guys, so it's the end of day one. We went to an art museum and yeah, I didn't vlog most of the day because we went and had dinner with an old friend of our parents, and then
It was like really, really good Indian food.
really good, all vegetarian.
Yeah. Nice.
What else did I do? Oh, we went and we took a nap, so there wasn't much to film.
Where did you get out?
We checked into the hotel. The hotel's really nice.
Show the hotel. That's what people do in vlogs, right?
I don't even know what this is called. Is it a lobby?
It's a ballroom area.
This hotel's got a ballroom area.
Well, it's got 3 ballrooms.
And then the restaurant.
Did you say ball? This is not our best take.
This is Diana. Hi. This is my sister.
Hey.
I got my sweater all wonky. It's my sweater.
You gave it to me though.
Okay. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, it's all the same video, but I'll see you guys.
That way you can tell when it's focused. Oh, it's still recording.
Yeah.
There you go.